What's up, YouTube? Premium Card Picks here, and today we are going to be giving Dark Neostorm a second shot. First time I opened up these packs, didn't get the pulls I expected, so I went out and bought another, what's this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 blisters that we're going to open up here on the channel, and we're just going to see what we get. So, yep, set these off to the side. I'm just going to break into these and see what we get. Hoping to pull some secrets, like no material, what's that? No material, cyanide mining, mechanite, things like that. See what we get. Okay, and first pack up. Okay, Dark Neostorm. Security tag for good luck. Let's see what we get. Alright, we got, let's see, so this is Serotar, the Incantation Originator. Deus Ex Crawler, Salamangreat Fennec, Dilingerius Dragon, and we got Mayakashi Winter is a super. And we got World Chalice Guard Dragon Almerduk as our rare. Speed Lift, Assault, Overflow. Okay, cool. Alright, on to the next pack. Okay, Dino Wrestler, Guki the Blade Ogre, Destiny Hero Draw Hand, Altergeist Fifth, I have no idea. Okay, let's see. Okay, so first Ultra I ever pulled out of here, so we got Valkyrie Urda as our Ultra, beautiful card. I'll set that up here. And the Weather Rainbow Canvas, which is a cool looking rare. All right. Pack. XYZ Slidolphin, Pegasus Wing, Cloudian Aerosol, Celotar, and we got Dirge. I think that's yep, Dirge of the Lost Dragon is our super, and we got Whitefish Salvage is our rare. Okay. Celotar, Deus Ex Crawler, Salamangreat. Oh, here we go. First secret. Ib, the World Chalice Justiciar, I guess that's how you pronounce it. Man, this card is beautiful. I really like the way this thing looks. Oh, we finally got a secret. Cool. Set that off there. TG Hollowbird Cannon Assault Mode. Right on. Finally got a secret. Alright. Let's see if we can keep the luck going. Really hoping we get no material. That'd be really sick. So, let's see. Magical Musket, Altergeist. Oh, here we go. Crackdown. Right on. Okay. Philo, Messenger for Hire is our rare. World Legacy Collapse. Okay, still got a good amount of packs that we got to open up. I think we're about like, what, halfway through? Packet Swap. Neo Flamevell Lady, Surge of Shackles, Salamangreat Fennec. Okay, here we go. Another Ultra Danger Excitement Mystery. So what's this say? Okay, discard one level 5 or higher danger monster, add one level 4 or lower danger monster from your deck to your hand. You cannot special summon monsters for the rest of this turn after this card resolves, except danger monsters. You can only activate one Danger Excitement Mystery per turn. Okay, Psy Reflector is our rare. Really liking the way this is turning out so far. Salamangreat, Destiny Hero Draw Hand, Altergeist Dragvirian, Assault Mode 0. We got Super Quantum Mech Beast Lusterex. It's our super. Just adjust those. Okay. Danger. Feats of Strength. Grid Swapper. Looks like this one's got a little bit of a ding on it right there in the corner. Okay, I'm going to pronounce this correctly this time. Creeltar. There we go. Creeltar. Clouding Aerosol. Dino Wrestler. We got a Chain Hole. Madolce Teacher Glass Oofle. I guess how you pronounce it. Cyrus Reminder. And I am still waiting for another booster box to come in the mail. It's been a week. Kind of like worried about where it is and if it's going to make it here on time. Not that it's on a time schedule. I just do want to open up another booster box. Actually, yeah, I only opened up one booster box in this channel so far, so I'm trying to make this the next one. So let's see, Dino Wrestler, Gookie the Blade Ogre, Mystic Mine. First time I ever got that. Dope. Okay, Extra Hero Cross Crusader, Overflow, Tyrant Dino. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3 left. XYZ Sladolphin, Dino Wrestler, Cola Salat, Gookie the Blade Ogre, Fusion Destiny is our super. And then You're in Danger. Little factory error, I guess, right there. Little spec. Overflow Dragon. Okay, down to the final two. See if we can pull another Ultra or, even better, another Secret. Okay, Puzzle Me No, the Drop and Deleter, Deus Ex Crawler, World Legacy Cliffhanger, Chain Hole is our super, and we got World Legacy Guard Dragon Mardark is our rare. Okay, down to the final pack. Let's see what we get. Okay. Cloudian Aerosol, Dino Wrestler, Mordschlag, Gookie the Blade Ogre. All right, come on. See what we get. Super Quantum Mech Beast Lusterex is our super. World Chalice Guard Dragon, Grid Sweeper. Okay, so yeah, I'll do a little recap on the Ultras and the Secret that we got. So we got Danger, Excitement, Mystery. I guess it's Ib, the World Chalice Justicaire, and Valkyrie Urda Ultra. So yeah, really dope pulls. I'm happy about all these. This card is absolutely beautiful right here. Jeez. So yeah, that's what I got for you guys today. Finally pulled a Secret, so I'm happy about that. So yeah, I'll probably do another pack opening video, Dark Neostorm, sometime soon, whenever I get around to it. I'm still, again, waiting for that booster box to come in the mail, so hopefully that shows up beforehand. But yeah, I appreciate you guys stopping in, watching this video, and stay tuned for more Yu-Gi-Oh! Pack opening videos and other related videos as well. See ya.